One, go.
Hello,
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Abdullah Laman.
Oh, nice name. Where are you from?
I'm from Puthukkali, but currently I live at Mohammadpur.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
Basically, I am a student, but I am doing at English fantasy now.
Ah. What's your future plan?
My future plan is to go to your USA in higher education.
Who is the earning person of your family?
And my father is earning person in my family.
If your father businessman, is your father businessman?
Yes, my father is a businessman.
How many members are in your family?
There are four members in our family. One brother and one sister.
Are you for a joint family?
No, I'm single family.
Oh, nice. Thank you, sir. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Thank you, sir. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum.